Top 5 apps like ThePerfumeSpotcom review that actually work today. If you love designer perfumes but hate paying full retail price, most people get this wrong. There are apps that deliver real discounts safely and reliably. You won't believe what happens next. First up is FragranceX. Their app offers discounted designer perfumes with filters for brand, price, and scent type. Users enjoy easy ordering and free shipping options. Second is ThePerfumeSpotcom. Known for frequent sales and exclusive deals, their app makes it simple to browse popular fragrances and read verified customer reviews. Number 3 is Know. Know offers perfumes, skincare, and cosmetics with loyalty points and flash sales. The app provides a smooth, mobile-friendly shopping experience. Fourth, we have Strawberry. This app focuses on international shipping and competitive pricing for luxury perfumes. Users appreciate curated selections and secure checkout. Finally, Amazon. Verified sellers on Amazon offer genuine perfumes at discounted rates. The app also tracks price drops and provides alerts so you never miss a deal. In conclusion, while ThePerfumeSpotcom is popular, these 5 apps provide variety, real discounts, and convenience. With them, you can enjoy luxury fragrances without overspending or worrying about authenticity.